Alright, another video added on to this. So now we're going to go on to the next one, which is going to be to build the website using WordPress. Okay, so now this is a method that you can actually use. What you'll be doing is when you do it with WordPress, you actually be installing it. So we might be able to uninstall it later, but you want to go ahead and create your password. And of course you got your URL, then you hit install. And then I'll show you how to update your, so now you sit here and you wait for it to install. Then I'm going to show you how to update your domain. So say you purchase your 99-cent domain, and I'm going to show you how you can link it to this web hosting so that way you can get it set up to use, so that we don't have to worry about using the generic domain link. You can just use a .com. Alright. Almost done. Just creating everything. Alright. Now, I usually use WordPress for a lot of my clients' websites. It's more specifically the ones who want more to do on their website. Like I can code them by hand if it's like a simple website. Even a PHP website, I can code that by hand, so where they can actually go. Okay, it's ready. So they actually can go through and actually add. So now we sign up. So now hold on one second. So that way it can go through and actually make additions to the website. So it was kind of like WordPress, but it was more generic. It was just by hand. It was more raw than anything else. Like I said, I coded it all by hand, and I just went ahead and I used WordPress, and because that way I can actually grab a nice template, edit it, and then from there they can actually make any additions they want. All right, so because WordPress is a lot easier to use. So now we'll go ahead and put the same information that you just put in here. Then you will get into your WordPress account. Now, the WordPress is going to need a lot of videos, all right? But right now, what we're going to work on is just basically getting you started, okay? Now, there's a lot of ways you can use WordPress. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to use it as simple as possible. If you already have a theme, like a premium theme, so say you went to somewhere like Theme Forest, or who else is it? GraphicRiver.net. Or somebody who has a good template, website templates. They have a lot on WordPress. Now, again, we're still trying to go for the free route. So if you go on anything on ThemeForest, you're going to be paying about $15 to $70, maybe $80, depending on what kind of theme it is. But like I said, we don't really necessarily want to go here. You can if you want to, because they will have some really nice themes here for you and really nice website layouts, and you can just upload them to your website. And then from there, because you can also just check them. You can hover over everything, see what they look like that way, and just basically just play around with it, see what you think. But if you want to stick with the free route, let's just do it this way right here. And what you'll do is you want to go ahead and look for themes. So what we'll do is go to Appearance and click on Themes. Now, this is all going to be the generic that they're going to put up here. Now, you can also, what you could do is you could do, let's see, we can do Add New, so you can look at some other ones. And what this will show you all the different layouts and different templates they have available. Now, you can look for one specifically that has, a form on the front of it. And if it doesn't, we can create one that has a form on the front of it. So say, we'll put Capture Page. Okay, I'll say here we go. We got a couple of them over here we can actually use. Okay, now these ones for a doctor, you can use that and just edit it. You can also use these business themes right over here. And I will use this coffee one because I like the way it looks. So let's do this one. And then I'm gonna have to go through and do the other one with you guys. But I just want you guys to see how this works, and it's really easy. These are all free methods, and that's the beauty of it all. Now, if you learn how to use this, you can actually charge people to do it for them. because WordPress it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work. So now what we'll do is we're actually going to go ahead and check out how the site looks like. So we're going to go ahead and open that in a new tab. See what it looks like for as of right now. Yeah, this is the new layout. Now, we got this. Now, the thing is, when it comes to this is why I said you want to be careful, because these things right here, sometimes they have a chain where you can edit these. Sometimes they don't. So now what we'll do is first you want to go ahead and install these plugins. For example, and you hit install, apply. Alright, now we could refresh this, but it's still not the page that we want it to look like. So instead, what we'll do is go to customize. Now, usually customize is where you'll be able to actually adjust the home page, adjust any of the pages actually, just to see what they would look like. So now what we'll do is go around here and mess around with it. If a logo, you edit the logo, and these will be for your menu. This will be right up here. Of course, you can edit these names right here, and this will be your the menu bar. If you have another menu, and of course your static. Now, this right now doesn't have a static page. Okay, so that's something that we're definitely going to work on. We're going to get that done. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of that, and then what we'll do is go ahead and exit out of this too, because we actually didn't change anything. So this one, like I said, this is where you're going to have the other. This is where you're going to have the. So we need a home page. Okay, so then we change this to front page. This is where you're gonna have to really take your time to learn how to use it, because it's not gonna be as straightforward as the website build that I just showed you. This one is gonna be more intricate. So you're really gonna want to and double check everything and make sure you see how everything looks like. So let's see. With this one, I chose the front page, so we can see it looks the same as we just had it so far. Now, I'm going to show you guys something right here, okay? What does it say? It said lead form, and I just put this on here, right? So then in that case, these are supposed to be activated already, right? So I installed them. I got to activate them. All right. There's another thing. When you install plugins, they're not working. It's because you didn't activate them. So we're going to go ahead and activate it. Then we'll try this page again. And there we go. Okay. Now that's just for this one right here. Now of course you got the form, everything else like this. So now what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to actually go back into here to customize. Then we're gonna go to static front page. Because now we know what our front page is gonna be. So that is going to be the actual home page. Alright. Now we don't have a post page as of right now, but you can create one later if you want. Alright, so now that we're here, what you would do, you can actually edit this name to say something else. You can say, I wanted to say auto benefits, but not the way that it was looking. Alright, and then right here we'll have affordable roadside assistance. Now, again, you can do this if you want to, or you can not do it. You see that? You see that? So we'll go ahead and leave it there for now. And then we'll go ahead and you can save and publish if you want to, but we're going to actually go ahead and keep moving. The menus right here, I'll show you how to edit that, but it's really going to be, because we have to create that. So what you'll do now, you got the front page already set up. All right. So now we're going to have to go through and edit these forms. See what's going on with them, okay? So now go ahead and save and publish. Make sure you hit it to where it does this little symbol in the corner. Hit the X. Alright, then we'll go back to our admin. So I always select that, hit admin. Sometimes it does that. If it does that, it makes you delete everything behind WP-admin. Then you can get back to your dashboard. Alright, so now here we go. Here's the lead form is right here. Now, this is where you want to make sure that everybody's going to the right place. So now if you go to the lead form, you can click on it. It should let you edit it. You go to email setting, and you see where it's going to go to and it's going to come from. Subject and message. Okay, same thing. All right, and that's pretty much it. Like, you can also add your captcha. If you have Google, you can definitely add your captcha by getting your keys. I'll show you how to do that as well. Right, and that's pretty much it on this one. This is how you would use basically to create this simple page right over here. Right over here. And then that's it. You just we'll just go through and just mess around with a bunch of different things. Oh, let me see. This one right here. Sometimes, like I said, they do have something for the actual theme itself. And sometimes they actually have instructions, which helps. So then if you want to go ahead and look at the instructions, you can use it. Like for this one, you can actually use this video right here.
Hello everyone, this is Swati from thehaitianmogul. In this video, I will show you how to create a.
It looks like it was just recently published.
Novel Light. Go to your dashboard.
So some of these, like I said, are brand new. Some of them aren't, and then they do have different links of it that you can check out and get some help to use the themes. All the themes are completely different. So don't be afraid and think like, oh my goodness, I don't know how to work the theme. All of these are different. So if one theme is not, if you're working in one way and you're not liking the way it's looking, then you can definitely do it again. All right. Like I said, just if you have any questions about how to use anything, I'm definitely going to include some more videos on how to work WordPress. And then from there, just ask me any questions and I'll help you out and let you know exactly what we can do to get you set up. Okay?
In this way, you can set up your homepage.
That's pretty much it. Now, this one, he didn't explain as much as I would have liked him to, but I can definitely still help you out with this. This is not an issue at all. Because I have a good amount of understanding about about WordPress, so I can definitely show you how to do that. Alright, so if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If it helps you out a lot, if you have any questions, make sure that you also leave me some comments at the bottom. Subscribe if you have not already, and I'll definitely be working on the next video so you can show you guys how to upload your own by putting on your own code. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching.